A Steinhatchee staple looked like this after Hurricane Idalia came through the area in September. Now, 4 short months later, they are rebuilt and back open for business. I'm Kendall Brandt at Roy's Restaurant in Steinhatchee. We spoke with their owner after that storm made landfall in Taylor County in September. Now we're checking in with them to see how they're doing as they reopen their doors and as a big storm is making its way into the area.
It's good to see you.
When Linda Wicker heard about the potential of coastal flooding coming to Steinhatchee on Tuesday, she thought to herself,
I'm just going to ignore that.
yeah. That's because she just finished reopening Roy's Restaurant, just steps from the Steinhatchee River.
I know.
Hurricane Idalia's storm surge damaged her family's business of over 20 years in August.
This one was, it was a lot. It was a lot, and to get everyone here together and figure out a plan.
Now they've done it a third time, a process that she's familiar with, but not an easy one.
I mean, I don't care how many times it happens, it's a little overwhelming.
The Wicker family rebuilt Roy's after Hurricane Hermine in 2016 and following a storm in 1993. She says they couldn't have done it without the support of their neighbors and visitors alike.
So many visitors we have from out of town that, I mean, they were down here for weeks.
The people locally that want to continue to help Roy's include employees at Good Times Marina.
We're just here to support.
Shelby Burt and her co-workers came to Roy's on their first day back open to give them some business after being shut down for 4 months.
Everything's coming back and we're all supporting each other, so it just works.
The First to Know weather team says a coastal flooding warning goes into effect Tuesday morning for this area. Strong winds could force water levels 3 to 5 feet above ground here.
Your fish good?
Wicker says they'll be ready, but
Hopefully we won't have an issue. Good Lord willing, it'll stay away.